back to 20 car. Now this is not just a Range Rover. The 2025 Land Rover Range Rover concept is a rolling palace crafted by the gods of style and performance. One glance and you know it means business. Draped in satin-finish glacier silver with bronze accents and a floating roofline, it's like a luxury yacht on wheels. Slim, laser-cut headlights gaze ahead like eyes that see the future, while the flush door handles whisper elegance with every touch. Inside, you don't sit, you sink into handcrafted seats made of vegan suede and British wool blends. The dashboard is a digital dream, a 17-inch waterfall screen that bends toward the driver like a loyal butler, supported by an AI assistant that learns your voice, mood, and even driving habits. It's smarter than some humans you know. Underneath that sculpture of luxury lies a hybrid twin-turbo V8 beast paired with an electric motor pushing 615 horsepower. 0 to 100 kilometers height? A shocking 4.6 seconds. For something this regal, that's borderline magic. Competitors like the Bentley Bentayga, Mercedes-Maybach GLS, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan just flinched. Price tag? Starts at $170,000, give or take. But the ownership experience is refined. Land Rover promises longer service intervals, predictive maintenance tech, and an eco-friendly insurance tier thanks to its hybrid nature. Depreciation? Surprisingly stable, considering the badge and exclusivity. Driving this isn't just smooth, it's a spiritual experience. Gliding silently in electric mode or roaring with V8 thunder, you command attention without saying a word. Downsides? It's big. Like, really big. But that's part of the charm. This concept isn't just a car, it's a throne on wheels, rewriting the rulebook of ultra-luxury SUVs with aristocratic attitude and futuristic flair.